Trust me, bro, the name you know. Dropping knowledge bombs on the
GM everyone, welcome back to another episode. This week's highlights: SiBorg, the future of podcasting in Web3, NFT Rome highlights, Trust Me Bro, Spaces updates. We look into a Farcaster cocktail recipe frame, and we wrap up with the beer taste with Märzen from Austria. This episode is brought to you by SiBorg. SiBorg is creating a mobile app that repurposes Twitter Spaces for post-live access via a Spotify-like interface. SiBorg aims to create a creator-owned platform leveraging Web3 for enhanced user engagement, monetization, and curation. Anna, what's up?
Hi Yakuza! Today we're diving into a new platform that's shaking things up in the podcasting world, SiBorg. Imagine your favourite podcasts mixed with the live interaction of Spaces, all powered by Web3. That's the idea behind SiBorg. SiBorg is backed by SwissBorg and built on the Polygon network. They're aiming to revolutionise how we consume and interact with audio content. But here's the cool part: SiBorg welcomes everyone. You can sign in using your crypto wallet, Lens protocol, or even your regular Google or Apple accounts. Now, for those crypto enthusiasts, SiBorg integrates with Lens protocol. This means you get clear transaction tracking on the Polygon network and more control over your experience. Plus, it sets the stage for a future where SiBorg is fully decentralized, powered by the community. Why SiBorg? Let's face it, information overload is real. Traditional media can be cluttered with SEO tactics and chasing attention spans. SiBorg wants to bring back the authenticity of podcasts, while also addressing discoverability and monetization challenges for creators. Think of SiBorg as more than just an app. It's a portal to a community-driven space where every voice matters. They even have their own token, called SIB, to fuel the ecosystem and reward both creators and users. Intrigued? SiBorg is currently in beta, but you can try it out. They have an invite-only program for Apple's test flight and availability on Google Play. Head over to siborg.io to learn more and see if you can snag an early access invite.
SiBorg is really cool. Next up, NFT Rome highlights. NFT Rome wasn't your typical conference. It was a vibrant hub showcasing the full potential of Web3 Think Digital art, cutting-edge projects, and leading brands from fashion, finance, and beyond. Imagine a place where creativity meets cutting-edge technology. That's the vibe. The main event unfolded at the ancient Horti Salostiani Gardens, offering a unique blend of history and innovation. Attendees were treated to insightful talks by top digital artists, Web3 thought leaders, and even industry giants from luxury, fashion, and real estate. The grand finale took place at La Rinascente, a swanky shopping complex with a special digital art shopping night. Imagine an exclusive evening filled with amazing art, a live DJ set, and internationally renowned artists. It was a celebration of all things digital. Our very own Carla Moni, a true Web3 artist, was an ambassador and speaker at the event. She even showcased one of her stunning NFT mermaid creations, which was voted among the top 11 by the NFT Rome community. Wow, congrats, Carla. We also had some amazing encounters with friends from Favre and Lens Protocol. Stanislav, Antonella, Tommy Thomas, and Carla were soaking up the good vibes, networking, and spreading the word about the power of these platforms, all over a couple of beers. Looking ahead, while a touch of FOMO might be setting in, we're already pumped for next year's NFT Rome. There's definitely room for improvement in how crypto conferences are scheduled to avoid overlaps, but overall, NFT Rome was an epic experience. Cheers to the organizers.
Moving over to Trust Me Bro Spaces updates. We are back after a quick break. This week, we're diving deep into the world of live events, fresh from ETH Prague and NFT Rome. Carla Moni, Tommy Thomas, and Yakuza will be sharing their insights and experiences from these two major events. Get ready for a jam-packed discussion on everything that went down. But hey, everyone is welcome to join the conversation. When and where? Mark your calendars. The Spaces is happening on Wednesday, June 12th at 7 p.m. Central European Time on Butterfly app. Oh, by the way, have you checked out the latest updates for Butterfly? They've added emoji reactions and tipping features for the Spaces. Come test them out with us this Wednesday. See you there, guys.
Can't wait for Wednesday. Now let's dive into a Farcaster cocktail recipe frame. Get ready to mix up the Berry Aid, the official drink of on-chain summer, courtesy of Spit Funkolips. What's the twist? This innovative recipe isn't just a list of ingredients, it's a frame on Farcaster. This means you get a step-by-step guide with photos for a foolproof Berry Aid cocktail, plus a bonus link to the Berry on Base website. What's Berry? Don't worry, it's not about actual berries. Berry is a fun, meme-based community coin with a strawberry mascot and some very stylish frogs. Think of it as a symbol of crypto friendships and good times. Spitting a big shout out to Spit Funkolips for this creative frame. Ready to get mixing? Check the link for the frame in our newsletter.
Nice frame, Yakuza. Let's wrap up with our beer taste. Craving a taste of Austria? Look no further than Märzen, their beloved beer with a rich history. What is it? Think of a medium-bodied lager, brewed in March for those pre-refrigeration days. Stronger and stored cool, it was perfect for fall festivities, the original Oktoberfest star. While rare in Germany today, Austria embraced Märzen. Imagine a lighter, sweeter Bavarian Helles with a touch more colour and flavour. Perfect for any celebration. Expect a smooth experience with rich malt, clean hops, and maybe some toasty notes. The alcohol content? A chill 5.1, 6.0%. Global love affair. From the Czech Republic to Poland, variations of Märzen are enjoyed worldwide. Austria's gem golden to amber in colour, Märzen is a true Austrian treasure. So next time you're there, grab one, kick back and say Prost.
And that's it for this week. Thanks for listening or watching. Please collect this post on Lens to support the show and go follow us across all socials. Bye everyone.